Know about conditional probabilities is that a couple of the questions can get pretty complicated and can ask you for the probability of an event happening that multiple events are fulfilled. So this is when you might use a tree diagram. You can use the tree diagram to solve questions by giving you an easier way of understanding and solving these questions without plugging each and every one of the probabilities into the equation and adding them all up, which can get really tedious and time consuming. So you may be wondering, what in the world is a tree diagram? Well, I'll just give you an example of one. So there's a coin that is biased so that 75% of the time it lands on heads and 25% of the time it would land on tails. Given that you flip the coin 3 times, what is the probability of getting 3 tails in a row? You basically just create a chart for each possibility, and for each possibility branching out for each one of those probabilities. So you start out with the coin, and then 0.75% chance of getting heads, 0.25% chance of getting T. You do another layer of that, another one, until you have all of them, so like all of the different possibilities. So all in all, once you find the all of the possibilities, you can narrow down the one that you need, which is on the very bottom, which is tails, tails, tails. So the probability of getting 3 tails in a row is 0.25 times 0.25 times 0.25, which is a 0.0156 chance. So you would have a 1.56% chance of getting 3 tails in a row in this rigged coin flip. And that's all. Thank you for taking my little mini lesson. I know the questions were easy, but if you guys want a bit more of a challenge, you guys can just go down there into my weird slideshow, and I have an assessment there. I have a couple questions, I have the answers to them, solutions, and a couple of things that you may have gotten wrong in them. So give those a check out. I don't think that's how you say it, and peace.